thought she was grand. Fell in love, found out firsthand. Went well for a week or two, then it all came unglued. In a trap I can't grip. Never thought I'd be the one who'd slip. Then I started to realize I was living